Have you seen those miniature wooden car videos taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts? They're getting millions of views. And some brand new creators are gaining thousands of followers just by posting this type of content. The best part? You don't need any woodworking experience or expensive editing software. I'll show you how to create these videos with AI in just a few minutes. First, open Perplexity on your laptop and enter this prompt. Provide me 15 engaging car names with models including big brands like Rolls-Royce, BMW, etc. And click Generate. Within seconds, Perplexity will give you a list of eye-catching car models. Open the prompt link provided in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, switch to the Video section, select the Omni Flash model, and adjust the settings however you like. Then paste the complete prompt into the prompt box. Now return to Perplexity and copy the name of the car you selected. Go back to Google Flow and replace the placeholder in the prompt with your chosen car model. Here's a simple tip that can make your video look even better. Before the car name, add the color you want the vehicle to have. For example, matte black. This small change can make the final result much more eye-catching. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let the AI do the work. Want unlimited content? Simply repeat the same process with a different car model. Every new vehicle creates a fresh video while following the same viral format. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next viral AI video idea.